Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you my project hospital management system, that is project number 2 of hospital management system. Now I can run this project, and by default password is admin 123, and you can also change password. Now login successfully. Now you can update admin details. In this detail you can update your username or password or address. You can also, now in manage doctor you can register, view, update, delete, and it is back menu button. Now go to register. What is your first name? Doctor name is Shubham, last name is Sony. What is your specialty? Neurology. Now I added. It's automatically a unique ID, that is 1. You can also view who are registered, and you can see register name is Shubham and last name is specialty neurology. And you can also update and delete. Go to update doctor ID. One, first name is Shubham, so S, last name is SONI. New specialty is what? Urology. Now you can update. So update for ID1 is successfully, and now view. You can see update was successfully done, and you can also delete ID1, delete. You can see there is no ID, no first name, last name, and no doctor detail. Now for project purpose, this I add doctor name, first name, and specialty neurology. Okay, added successfully. Now back to menu. Patient name is Shyam, age is 21, mobile number is 1234567889, postal code is 1234. Register successfully done. You can be registered. Patient is Shyam. Doctor assigned, right now there is no doctor assigned here, and you go to back menu button. You can update also. Update for view, update for ID1, update patient. Now full name 1. You can change also name is SHBH Shyam. Age is now 22. New mobile number 1234567889, 1234. Update successfully, and now you can see in view Shyam not assigned, 22, 1234. Discharge false. Okay, right now there is no discharge. Okay, back. You can also delete. Delete. Now delete successfully done. There is no list of patient here right now. Now for Shyam, again add. Shyam age is 22, mobile is 123478, postal code is 12345. Register. Okay, done. Now go to back menu button. Doctor add patient and discharge patient. Okay, before discharge I will show you how to assign a particular patient, how to assign doctor to particular patient. Okay, now active patient is Shyam and doctor is Shubham. So 1 patient Sham and doctor is 1 Shubham. Doctor assigned. Okay, doctor assigned, done. Now doctor assigned to Shubham. Now you can see and view the detail, and discharge is the false full name, and doctor ID is Shubham Soni. Shubham Soni assigned to patient 1. Now back to menu, doctor view. In this view you can see only doctor and its specialty. Okay, view discharge. Now discharge patient. Now patient 1 I want to be discharged. Okay, now it was right now discharged. The view discharge patient is Sham Shubham Soni is 22 and poster code. This is discharge patient. And you can also update username ADMIN, password is 12 just like 2277. Okay, new address is ABCD, updated successfully. Now go to back menu button. I hope this video you like and this project you like mostly. I show more specialty. Now I close it. Now again I log in. ADMIN 123, that is invalid. Right now I already password update for admin 2277. Okay, now successfully login. Now it's work properly and 100% result. Now off, and data, all data is saved in admin. The password change, you can see address also change. Patient, you can see patient Sham I already, and it discharged true. Okay, doctor name is Shubham Soni in neurology. I hope you like my project. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.